To hide connections on LinkedIn in 2025, start by logging into your LinkedIn account and navigate to the home page. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. In the Settings and Privacy page, click on Visibility on the left sidebar. Then select Connection Visibility. Here, you will see the option to choose who can see your connections. You have 3 options: everyone, only you, or your connections. To hide your connections, select Only You. This means only you will be able to see your connections, and they will be hidden from everyone else. If you want to customize this further, you can also choose to hide your connections from specific people, such as your competitors or coworkers. It is essential to note that hiding your connections can impact your ability to be found by potential clients or partners. However, it can also help you maintain your professional network's privacy and security. To confirm the changes, click on the Save button. Your connections will now be hidden according to your chosen settings. Remember that you can always change these settings back if you decide you want to make your connections visible again. Best practices for hiding connections on LinkedIn include regularly reviewing your connection list to ensure it is up to date and only includes people you trust. You should also consider setting boundaries and being mindful of who you connect with to avoid potential issues in the future. By following these steps and considering the best practices outlined, you can effectively hide your connections on LinkedIn in 2025 and maintain control over your professional network's visibility.